This is about the third time I've tried to do this. I've had all sorts of trouble tonight, but let's keep on. Combination sounds for English speakers. 1. Ch, as in church. Sh, as in shout. Th, think. When. Are, art. A, day. U, foot. Oo, boot. Ow, cow. O, bow. But you could have ow and bow, as in he made a bow. E, feet. Number 12, E, key. Number 13, as in her. But 14 is as in girl. 15 is as in curl. 16, all, tall. Oi, boy. But oi, coil. So oi and oi are exactly the same sound. However, oi, boy, oi, coil. Ow, house. Ear, as in ear. E, as in each. O, boat. A, bait. If you go by boat and use bait, you'll catch a bass. Air. Air. We breathe air. The in a-e changes because the has an effect on the a, such that the a with the there becomes a. So instead of gat, it becomes gate. The E doesn't say anything, but it does something. It makes the a become an a. The same with I. When there's an E on the end of the word, instead of kit, it becomes kite. And the O, instead of pol, it becomes pole. IGH is high. Much easier to have HI, but still, IGH, high. Well, there's 28 different combination of letters. I hope that's useful for students throughout the world. Thank you.